So today we will sing a Bengali bhajan. It is composed by one of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's very intimate associate. His name is Bashu Ghosh. Basudev Ghosh. Bashu Ghosh, you remember in evening arati we sing Sanjaya Mukunda Bashu Ghoshaya Digaya. So that is the Bashu Ghosh who is to sing in Mahaprabhu's Kirtan. He was a brilliant poet, singer, and of course Mahaprabhu's very intimate associate. This song goes like, Jodi Gaura na hoito, tobe ki hoito, kemone dhoritam de, Radharo Mohima, Premo Rasho Shima, Jagote Janato ke. The lines are not put in proper order. Okay, the lines would go like, the first line, Jodi Gaura na hoito, tobe ki hoito, that's alright. Then second line is, Kemone dhoritam de. Then third line is, Radharo Mohima, Premo Rasho Shima, the third line. And fourth line is, Jagote Janato ke. That is the meter. Like, Jodi Gaura na hoito, tobe ki hoito, kemone dhoritam de, Radharo Mohima, Premo Rasho Shima, Jagote Janato ke. In English also you have the same meter. The day was bare, the harbour clear, merrily did we drop, below the hill, below the kirk, below the lighthouse top. Do you remember which poetry is that? The Rhyme of the Ancient Mariner by Coleridge. You know that this is from this poetry that comes, the water, water everywhere, not a drop to drink. Okay, anyway, so the translation, Jodi Gaura na hoito. Jodi means if. Gaura means, Gaura is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Na hoito, did not happen or did not come. If Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not come, tobe ki hoito, then what would have happened? Tobe ki hoito. Kemone dhoritam de. How could I have maintained? Deha means, de is standing for deha. Deha means body. How would I have maintained my body? If Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu didn't come, then what would have happened? How would I have maintained my body? Radharo Mohima, the glory of Srimati Radharani, Premo Rasho Shima, the epitome of love, Jagote Janato ke, who would have revealed it to this world? Who would have revealed the glory of Srimati Radharani in this world? If Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu didn't come, then who would have revealed the glory of Srimati Radharani in this world? And then how would I have been able to maintain my body and soul together? Madhura Brinda, see what a beautiful rhythm, rhyme and meter. Madhura Brinda, Bipino Madhuri, Probesho Chaturi Shar, Borojo Jugoti, Bhavero Bhakoti, Shakoti Hoitokar. Isn't it beautiful? So that's why it's important that the lines are done in proper way. Madhura Brinda. Brinda means Vrindavan. Madhur means sweet. Madhu means honey. Madhur means sweet like honey. Madhura, Brinda, Bipina, Bipin means forest. Madhuri means, again, Madhuri, Madhur, Madhuri, sweetness. So, Madhura, Brinda, Bipino, Madhuri, Probesho, Chaturi, Shar. Who would have held the power to render ecstatic devotional service that follows in the footsteps of the damsels of Braja? So, Madhura Brinda, Bipino Madhuri, Probesho Chaturi Shar. It's very difficult to enter into the mystery, or you can secret, of the affairs of the forest of Vrindavan. That is the Krishna's most intimate loving exchange with Borojo Juboti. Borojo Juboti means the damsels of Vrindavan. Bhaviro Bhakuti, the devotion, bhakti of intense emotional feelings. Shakoti Hoitokar, who would have had the power to enter into the realm of Krishna's love affair in Vrindavan with the gopis? Actually, this mystery, this secret, hasn't been revealed before Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. Even the Vaishnavas did not understand these dealings with Krishna, with the gopis in Vrindavan. Gao gao puno gaurangero puno sharolo koriya mon. Gao means sing, sing. Puno, again and again. Gaurangero guno, the wonderful qualities of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sharolo koriya mon, making your mind very simple and straightforward. Sharul means simple and straight. Ebhava Sagare means in this world of material ocean. Amono Dayal, na dekhiye ekojon. I do not see anyone as magnanimous, as munificent as this personality, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Ami Gaurango bolia, nagelu bolia, kemone dhorinu de. Uttering the name of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I did not melt. How did I maintain my body? Bashuro hiya pashano diya bidhi kemone koriyache. How did Bidhi is Lord Brahma? How did Lord Brahma make the heart of Basu Ghosh with stone? Pashan means, Pashan means stone. As if Brahma has made Vasudeva is saying that as if Basu's heart has been made with stone. But then there is a refrain in that had it been stone, even then it would have melted. But, so, you got the meaning? You like it? You want to sing it? Okay, thank you. Everyone got the copy? Jodi Gaura na hoito, tobe ki hoito, kemone dhoritam re. যদি গৌর না হইত তবে কি হইত, কেমনে ধরিতাম। রাধার মহিমা প্রেম রস সীমা জগতে জানাত কে। রাধার মহিমা প্রেম রস সীমা জগতে জানাত কে। যদি গৌর না হইত তবে কি হইত, কেমনে ধরিতাম। মধুর বৃন্দান বিপিন মাধুরী প্রবেশ চাতুরী। মধুর বৃন্দান বিপিন মাধুরী প্রবেশ চাতুরী। বড় যুবতী ভাবের ভকতি সকতি হইত কার। বড় যুবতী ভাবের ভকতি সকতি হইত কার। যদি গৌর না হইত তবে কি হইত, কেমনে ধরিতাম। গাও গাও গুণ গৌরাঙ্গের গুণ সরল করিয়া। গাও গাও গুণ গৌরাঙ্গের গুণ সরল করিয়া। এ ভব সাগরে এমন দয়া না দেখিয়ে একজন। এ ভব সাগরে এমন দয়া না দেখিয়ে একজন। যদি গৌর না হই তবে কি হইত কেমনে হরিতাম রে। আমি গৌরাঙ্গ বলিয়া নাগেন বলিয়া কেমনে হরিল রে। আমি গৌরাঙ্গ বলিয়া নাগেন বলিয়া কেমনে হরিল রে। বাসুর হিয়া পাষাণ দিয়া কেমনে করিয়াছে। বাসুর হিয়া পাষাণ দিয়া কেমনে করিয়াছে। যদি গৌর না হইত তবে কি হইত কেমনে হইতাম রে। যদি গৌর না হইত তবে কি হইত কেমনে হইতাম।